Hello, my name is Freddy, and I will tell you about the Minesa company, a worldwide mining company. I chose that company because it is a multinational company that has decided to enter the gold exploitation business in a very sensitive place for the generation of water in the region where I live. This company is in charge of extracting in different deposits and mines around the world the gold found there. As we all know, the gold industry is a very polluting industry because it uses mercury and many other chemical products to carry out the extraction process, and the consequence of this process is the contamination of water sources. Exactly that is what is happening here with the Páramo of Santurbán, where there is a large gold deposits which they intended to exploit. In my formal letter, the following demands were expressed. First, to respect the territory of the Páramo so as not to exploit it industrially. Second, remove all the machinery that has to do with mining and practically forget that project in this area. I also demand that you respect the water source that represents the Páramo of Santurbán, since it is the source of water for more than 2 million people who live in the metropolitan area of Bucaramanga, made up of 4 municipalities that depend totally on the water that the wasteland generates. For this industry, ecologically, a solution cannot be provided. There is no ecological alternative for the gold mining industry. The only solution is that they withdraw and do not advance the mining project. I would ask you to look for places on the planet where the environmental impact is not so strong. I would also ask the rulers to guarantee the protection and care of that area of the country, not only here in Santander, but also in other areas of the country where the páramos and other water sources are threatened by the commercialization of natural resources.